All right, you guys, I am here with day 2, challenge number 2 of our Charles Mack Field Day challenges. Today we are going lawn bowling. What I need from you guys is I need 6 plates or bowls. I have 3 in the back. Those are going to be worth 1 point for me. I have 2 smaller dog bowls in the middle. That's going to be 2 points. And my small cereal bowl in the front is 1. What I need to go bowling is a pair of socks. My socks I rolled up into a ball. This is going to be my bowling ball. I stepped 8 steps backwards. I'm about 8 feet back. And I have 1 minute to see how many points I can get bowling my socks into the bowls. Okay? I'm going to keep track using tally marks and chalk. You guys can count in your head or write it down as well. I have 1 minute. Are you guys ready? On your marks. I only got 3 points. Can you guys beat me? Let's see.